The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued Tornado Watch number 327, effective until 10:00 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, Kane. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging wind, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Chicago. This is an emergency alert message from the National Weather Service in Chicago. NWS issued Tornado Watch number 327 that was previously in effect until 10:00 p.m. The Tornado Watch is now in effect until midnight Central Standard Time, covering Cook and Kane counties. Emergency services clear, beginning at 9:56 p.m. on September 16, 2016. This is an emergency.